Welcome back to Handy News Finance. In this video you will learn how to become a millionaire. At the beginning, prepare yourself for success and set yourself concrete goals. Smart preparation is very important and required. Break bigger goals into steps, smaller goals, step by step. To become a millionaire, you don't need complete college, but it's reasonable to get a good education that will help you achieve your goals. The more you know, the more opportunities you have, and the more opportunities means the higher chance that you will become rich. Remember to take care of yourself and your health. Be in good shape. Eat well, healthy food that will provide you the energy which you need to keep going and reaching your goals. Even if you fail at something, don't worry, because it's just a lesson which can help you achieve your goals, grow, and become a millionaire. It's likely common to meet failures as you're trying to find the best way to make big money. If you don't take risk, then it's hard to get rich. So be prepared to make decisions which will not always succeed. High self-esteem and being confident are very important. It helps you achieve your goals, so practice self-confidence every day. Remember to benefit from the wisdom of already successful people. Read about other millionaires and learn from them. But of course, the most important in becoming a millionaire is taking action. It's also good to find a mentor. Surround yourself with successful people, millionaires. You can find them even online. Stop spending money on stupid things. So live beneath your means and spend no more than 1/3 of your salary. Wear inexpensive watches, especially at the beginning, before you become a millionaire. And don't compare yourself to others. Instead of spending money, save money. Open a savings account. Consider online banks, because digital banks usually have better interest rates than banks that have a physical location. Also, invest in stocks. But before you make any financial decision, do the research. Get some knowledge about the stock market and also trust your intuition. However, remember, there is no guarantee. Start your own business, because it's a smart way to make big money. Choose a business that provides value to people. Make your product or service the best, price efficient and unique. Know your strengths and find clients that really need your products or services. It's important to create your own brand because people like doing business with companies they trust. Create your business model. For example, to make $1 million, you would need 100 customers that will pay you $10,000 each, or 100,000 customers that will pay you $10. One of the fastest way to become a millionaire is to create a business and sell it. If your business generates profit around $500,000 a year, you could sell it for around $1 million. Fast way to increase your income as an entrepreneur is to sell more products or services to your current existing customers. Find more solutions to add more value and offer them to your customers. Also consider hiring smart people, because most of large successful corporations usually focus on team building and leadership. During the process, read about investing strategies and techniques. Also, make the research before making any financial decision. And watch videos like this, because here on this YouTube channel, Handy News Finance, you can get knowledge and inspirations that will help you get rich and become a millionaire. In the description below you can find the links to top 10 best audiobooks and videos that can be very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.